Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which of the following plays by John Webster features the character of Ferdinand and the Duchess? A. The White Devil, B. The Duchess of Malfi, C. The Changeling, D. Women Beware Women. Right answer is option B, the Duchess of Malfi. Next question. In which poem does Matthew Arnold declare, wandering between two worlds, one dead, the other powerless to be born? A. Stanzas from the Grande Chartreuse, B. Dover Beach, C. The Scholar Gypsy, D. Thyreses. Right answer is option A, stanzas from the Grande Chartreuse. Next question. The title Things Fall Apart is derived from a line of which poem by W.B. Yeats? A. The Lake Isle of Innisfree, B. Sailing to Byzantium, C. The Second Coming, D. Among School Children. Right answer is option C, The Second Coming. Next question. The Angry Young Men movement in Britain was first associated with which play? A. Roots by Arnold Wesker, B. Look Back in Anger by John Osborne, C. The Entertainer by John Osborne, D. A Taste of Honey by Sheila Delaney. Right answer is option B, Look Back in Anger. Next question. Honi soit qui mal y pense is the motto found in which medieval English text? A. Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, B. Piers Plowman, C. Beowulf, D. Pearl. Right answer is option A, Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. Next question. Who among the following was the first poet laureate officially appointed by the English crown? A. John Dryden, B. Ben Jonson, C. Thomas Shadwell, D. William Davenant. Right answer is option A, John Dryden. Next question. Who is the protagonist of George Eliot's novel Daniel Deronda deeply associated with? A. Rosamund Vinci, B. Gwendolyn Hallett, C. Dinah Morris, D. Dorothea Brooke. Right answer is option B, Gwendolyn Hallett. Next question. A Man Can Be Destroyed But Not Defeated appears in which Ernest Hemingway work? A. For Whom the Bell Tolls, B. The Old Man and the Sea, C. A Farewell to Arms, D. To Have and Have Not. Right answer is option B, The Old Man and the Sea. Next question. Who wrote a defense of poetry as a response to Thomas Love Peacock's The Four Ages of Poetry? A. John Milton, B. P.B. Shelley, C. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, D. William Wordsworth. Right answer is option B, P.B. Shelley. Next question. The term Cockney School of Poetry was derogatorily used by critics for? A. Keats, Hunt, and Hazlitt, B. Wordsworth and Coleridge, C. Byron and Shelley, D. Tennyson and Browning. Right answer is option A, Keats, Hunt, and Hazlitt. Next question. Which of these novels by Virginia Woolf is written in the form of soliloquies by 6 characters? A. Jacob's Room, B. Mrs. Dalloway, C. To the Lighthouse, D. The Waves. Right answer is option D, The Waves. Next question. Who wrote Hudibras, a satirical poem attacking Puritans? A. John Dryden, B. Samuel Butler, C. Alexander Pope, D. Richard Steele. Right answer is option B, Samuel Butler. Next question. Who coined the phrase, willing suspension of disbelief? A. William Wordsworth, B. Samuel Johnson, C. S. T. Coleridge, D. Matthew Arnold. Right answer is option C, S. T. Coleridge. Next question. Which of these is considered the first Gothic novel in English literature? A. The Mysteries of Udolpho, B. The Monk, C. The Castle of Otranto, D. Melmoth the Wanderer. Right answer is option C, The Castle of Otranto. Next question. In Sons and Lovers, Paul Morell's relationship with Miriam represents? A. Intellectual companionship, B. Passionate romantic love, C. Materialistic marriage, D. Social ambition. Right answer is option A, intellectual companionship. Next question. The phrase, dark satanic mills, comes from which poem by William Blake? A. The Tiger, B. Jerusalem, C. Milton, D. The Lamb. Right answer is option B, Jerusalem. Next question. The phrase, dark satanic mills, comes from which poem by William Blake? A. The Tiger, B. Jerusalem, C. Milton, D. The Lamb. Right answer is option B, Jerusalem. Next question. Who is the central figure of the prelude? A. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, B. Dorothy Wordsworth, C. William Wordsworth himself, D. Nature personified. Right answer is option C, William Wordsworth himself. Next question. Which of the following is not a play by Tom Stoppard? A. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern Are Dead, B. Jumpers, C. The Caretaker, D. Arcadia. Right answer is option C, The Caretaker. Next question. Who translated Homer's Iliad and Odyssey into heroic couplets in the 18th century? A. William Cowper, B. John Dryden, C. Alexander Pope, D. George Chapman. Right answer is option C. Alexander Pope. Question for you. In which poem does Tennyson coin the phrase, nature, red in tooth and claw? A. Ulysses, B. The Lotos Eaters, C. In Memoriam AHHD. The Charge of the Light Brigade. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, we will meet tomorrow with another important session.